I ordered this a few days ago, and today I received this a very beautiful shirt from Jack and Jones, crew neck XL, and this is how it looks like. They call this color Rubber 18. Yes, that's a very strange name of the colorway, but it looks like brownish. It has a brownish shade. Jack and Jones. It's 100% cotton. No other material used in this shirt. Very nicely done. It's super soft, very lightweight, and good to go for summer. The colorway, the design, I liked it a lot, so I ordered this, and I'm pretty much impressed with what I have.